Part of the sustainability program within HP, MT Unirepair is actually doing all of our parts to be repaired. So what happens is the parts that have been sent to the clients are being returned to MTU. MTU are then testing these parts and qualifying the parts, actually checking them, repairing them, qualifying them. The qualification is actually done on press. So they have a press here. This is a Series 4 commercial press. And those parts that have been, let's say, repaired or need to be verified if they will work, will be inserted into the Series 4 sheet fed press and tested for quality before packed and sent back to the warehouse for its next life.